Secure the cage now. Watch the wave, hold fast.
Bring it up slowly.
Incoming, move back! Get the bands on them, hurry!
We need support on the far side.
This safety step is crucial. The danger is contained.
Secure the main line now.
Vacuum system engaged on deck 4.
Hurry up, move faster!
A gentle, saline solution stream, directed at the lobster's mouth parts. The lobster filters the water. The conveyor belt moving into a tunnel filled with swirling nitrogen fog. The temperature drops instantly. Transition to phase.
Keep the line moving smoothly.
Confirmed. Temperature holding steady.
Push them forward, keep the line moving. Watch the far side, don't let them clump up. Check the antenna on this one. This one is fine, send it through.
Make sure the glaze is intact before the final stage.
This ensures the meat slides out whole. Every lobster is tested here before it moves on to extraction.
The laser sizing gate precisely measures the diameter, sorting the jumbo tails into the left lane and the standard tails into the right. The sudden cooling shocks the meat, stopping the cooking process so it doesn't get rubbery. This ensures the product is safe to handle for labeling.
This chemical reaction dissolves the calcium that makes the shell hard, leaving behind the flexible chitin protein.
A spray nozzle coats the sheet with thick, glowing amber bioresin, making the leather waterproof and
Transition to Phase 7.
Check the pressure on the main line. It's holding steady at 24K.
my goodness, this lobster is absolutely divine.
I'm so glad you like it. There's plenty more.
This is the best meal we've had in ages. This lobster is incredible.
You really outdid yourself, Mom.
We should have this every week.
The silence returns to the warehouse. Transition to Phase 10. It is time to give back to nature.
A tiny, transparent, alien-looking lobster larva shoots out into the water. It is no bigger than a mosquito.
All right, easy now. There you go.
We're logging the migration data right now.
All right, team, let's review the coordinates for the drop zones. We need to hit reefs 7 and 12 before the tide turns.
Make sure the large ones are separated quickly.
I have 3 here. Where did they go? Where did they go?
Careful, watch the water levels.